Hey there, is your Vizio soundbar giving you trouble? If you're facing issues with your Vizio soundbar not pairing, you are not alone. This is a common problem that can often be resolved with a few straightforward steps. In this guide, we'll show you how to fix Vizio soundbar not pairing problems, allowing you to enjoy crisp and immersive audio once again. Step 1. Check the basics. Before diving into complex solutions, let's start with the basics. First, ensure your Vizio soundbar is powered on and that the Bluetooth feature is enabled. Sometimes simply turning your soundbar off and then back on can resolve minor pairing issues. Also, verify that the device you are trying to pair with the soundbar, like your smartphone or TV, has Bluetooth enabled and is discoverable. Make sure to place the device and soundbar within a reasonable range to avoid connectivity issues. Step 2. Reset Bluetooth setting. If the basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try resetting the Bluetooth settings on your Vizio soundbar. This step can help clear any glitches that might be causing the pairing problem. To do this, use the soundbar's remote to access the Bluetooth menu. You may need to consult your specific model's manual for detailed instruction. Often, the option to reset or forget devices is available in the Bluetooth settings. Once reset, attempt to pair your devices again. Step 3. Clear previous pairing lists. Vizio soundbars can sometimes get confused if there are too many previously connected devices. Clear the pairing list both on your soundbar and the device you're trying to connect. On your soundbar, locate the option to forget devices through the Bluetooth menu. On your smartphone or TV, navigate to the Bluetooth settings and remove the soundbar from the list of paired devices. This clean slate can often rectify pairing issues. Step 4. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can be an underlying cause of pairing problems. Check for firmware updates for your Vizio soundbar. Refer to Vizio's official website or your user manual for guidance on updating the firmware. Ensuring that your soundbar is running the latest firmware can improve performance and resolve connectivity. Step 5. Interference and signal blocking. Bluetooth signals can be disrupted by other electronic devices or physical obstruction. Make sure there are no large objects or other electronic devices like microwaves or routers between your soundbar and the device you're trying to connect. Reducing interference can significantly improve the pairing process. Relocate devices or adjust their positions to get the best signals. Step 6. Consult customer support. If none of the above steps work, it might be time to reach out to Vizio's customer support for professional assistance. They can offer specific guidance tailored to your model and troubleshoot further to resolve any underlying issues that general steps may not cover. Pairing issues with your Vizio soundbar can be frustrating, but with this comprehensive guide on how to fix Vizio soundbar not pairing, you're equipped to tackle the problem head-on. Start with basic checks. Move through settings, and consider updating firmware to enhance connectivity. Remember, ensuring no interference and consulting customer support can provide additional solutions if initial troubleshooting doesn't succeed. With your soundbar back in action, you can enjoy the premium audio experience it's designed to deliver.